Hi. So here, if you see, like I have completed it actually completed the process. So here, if you see, it has come up with this end-to-end machine learning pipeline notebook file. Uh, yeah. So here these are all the process that it has done. Okay, so see, all the libraries have been imported successfully. In step 2 it has uploaded the CSV file, and yeah, then data types, information, all those things. And even if you want it in report format, it can do that. This is basic statistics. This is histogram, distribution of the fair amount. This is before cleansing. So after cleansing, it's removing the invalid pheromones and coordinating outside the NYC bounding box, all those things. And then yeah, and also like so this code, if it is writing right Copilot on its own. So but if you want to ask what is this and explain what each line is doing or functionality, whatever I thought it in my mind, I was just telling. So see, after a few minutes it will come. So the data cleaning step of override, see, it will tell you what each and every line was doing. So if you have any doubts, you can quickly go and refer here. So yeah, it's still working. So yeah, summary, all those things. So it will go each every line. So what it does, what it do. So yeah, that much explain that much amount of explainability that it will give a detailed explanation. See, this is step 3, that is hours and distance and daytime features. So okay, so I was also studying about this hours and um, you know uh, distance, the mathematical formula. So you can just ask your doubts. Otherwise, you can do one more thing as well. So here there is a GitHub Copilot, right? So you can go there, and then also you can ask all those questions. What is this all about? What is this repo is all about? Or we can also select our repository and ask questions. Okay, so you can do that if you're not comfortable asking questions here. Okay, it's up to you. So see, it's giving a perfect explanation. Okay, yeah. So after that, it has given a printed out the hours and distance, and then extracting datetime. Yeah. So the step 4 is outlier after feature engineering. These are all the things that I have not written based upon the prompt that I have given. It has done its own steps line by line. See how quickly it's doing. I was amazed with this features. For the past 2 months, the results were great, especially with the Opus 4.6 model. I was amazed. So this is actually having 3 models I am running: linear regression, RF regression, like random forest regressor, and light GBM regression. It will take some time. Yeah, so if you see here, these are all the model training results. So we can also here mark down results, or what we can do is, okay, I have come up with this results, right? So I want to know, uh, is it a good result, right? You are doing something, but based upon the accuracy, I know it is a good result or not, but I wanted you also to see this. Okay, so these are all decent but not exceptional results. So linear regression, yeah, linear regression is 0.58. That means 59% of the fair variance is only there. So like now I will ask how to make it so, how to make this models, how to make it more, how to make the results more accurate. So it will ask to fine tune or do some feature engineering corrections. Okay, so as of now I am giving a demo for this. In future, after this video was over, I will go and check it out. This was a linear regression, random forest and light GBM results. Okay, if you want to save it here, I think you can save it here. Great. So yeah, this is scatter plot, so it will give you an actual which is predicted uh, fare, and then you can just copy it, and then what is this image all about? So see, as I told you, to improve the model accuracy earlier, I got the not a greater results, right? So it's asking to add more feature engineering features in step 3. Then it asking to do a log transformation, drop some temporary airport distance, that is some columns has to be dropped, and fine tuning the parameters. So this is excellent, right? So giving the data and giving what we have to do it in the prompt. Basically, this has created using Copilot Studio, like Copilot Agent Mode. So this is what it, like Vijay has created. I have get those data and documents from from GitHub page, right? Which he already done it. So this is his own way approach. That's also good. This is a pipeline which is developed by Copilot. Okay. Yeah. So now I am see this are all the improvements that I have to do, so that my R squared value will change. So here I am asking about this image. Okay. Just I know what it is doing. I know what is the actual fare, what is the predicted fare, what is the graph about, what is the line all about, what is the perfect prediction. But this is a GitHub Copilot demo that I'm showing, so I wanted to understand and explain you. This is an actual versus predicted scatter plot for light GBM model. That is how this is our best performing models. That also I wanted to convey. So it acts x-axis, y-axis, all those things. See, this is great. This is great. Then going with this feature importance, you have to understand which feature is more valuable. So Harvard distance, hour, year, is all impacted a lot for light GBM. Just for one model it has given, and then yeah, this is a final model comparison. So among this, light GBM is best because of the R squared score and RMSE. That two are accuracy metrics which we will use it in jargon in analytics, and it uses, as you know, light GBM will use gradient boosting. So yeah, so this is what the demo is all about. So you get to know, I have just to write down this comment, not sorry, the prompt. I have given this. Even if you are not new to this, you don't know how to give a comment to Rohini like that. If you are telling means, you can just build this. You can just give this one comment alone. Build a complete Uber fare prediction. Maybe I'll give you this in my description. You can just take a look at it, or you can just use this one command to just, we have to plug and play, right? So that is enough. Okay, so this is what it's all about. So yeah, thanks for watching.